धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद। भारत के महान सपूत सरदार पटेल को अपने विचारों से श्रद्धांजलि देने आ रही हैं अगली प्रतिभागी नंदिका ए कुमार, जो कर्नाटक से हैं।
Manpower without unity is not strength. Unless we harmonize and unite properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. This is a great quote said by our great leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Greetings all, my name is Nanditha A.Kumar, studying in class 6th, St. Patrick's Academy, Bengaluru. I am from Karnataka. Unifier of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a very strong, tactful negotiator, diplomatic, strategic, and a long visionary man. And his strong leadership, our great country was born. After independence, when British left from our nation, we were having more than 560 princely states. When India became one integrated nation, bringing all the princely states together under the strong, strategic leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Keeping his great leadership skills in mind to bring all the discrete states together, his birthday is celebrated as National Unity Day. Considering his high standard of negotiation and long strategic visionaries, we pay tribute to this great man with the world's tallest statue, Statue of Unity. This statue is 182 meters tall and situated at the bank of the river Narmada in Gujarat. This shows a symbol to keep up his ambition as one nation and his vision, my country, my responsibility. Once he met Mahatma Gandhi, he became a great supporter and admirer of him. He started showing a strong, courageous vision execution in many movements. He started contributing his enlightening ideas on social reforms. The success of Bardoli movement earned him the title Sardar, which means leader. Considering his strong and uncompromising dedication and contribution to our great nation, what sobriquet we can give him other than the Iron Man of India? He was our first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. Friends, now it's our turn to take our country's dream to the next level by the strong and uncompromising base and vision. I'm proud to be an Indian, and I'm ready to sacrifice my every drop of blood to protect my nation's unity and integrity. Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandika. स्वतंत्र